What's up, magnificence? It's me, Anna, again. And today I'm gonna show you guys something that I got from the mall. I've been wanting this for so long, but today I finally got it. Let's put. Sorry. Today I got something which is a light pink. Hear it? I don't know if you can really hear it, but I got a pink fidget spinner. Well, I also lost a tooth today. There. But I think you guys want to see it. Okay. So I got a pink fidget spinner with like on the outside on this circle is like black. And then yeah, it's like a normal pink fidget spinner. I'm gonna show you some tricks I can do. I can go sideways. Kinda. See? It's like sideways if you go this way. Okay. I think I can do it on my middle finger too. I don't know. Ooh. Alright. Oh god. Oh yeah, I could kind of do it on my middle finger. But it's kind of hard. Let's try my nose. Ow, that hurt my eye. Ow, that's my eye. Oh, finally I got it. Ding. Got it. Okay, and now my forehead. This is easy. I can do this one. I was trying to do a thumbs up and try to see you like stick on. And this is the color of my mom's iPhone 5. My mom got an iPhone, and this is exactly the same color. Let's see if I can get it. Sneak. I'm gonna do it. I got my mom's iPhone. Okay, here is my fidget spinner, and here is her phone case. It's like almost like the exact same color. I'm gonna put it right over. And here is my fidget spinner. I've been wanting these fidget spinners for so long, and I finally got it. I might do a video later today, which is probably gonna be my intro for every video I make. Might tomorrow, today, or any day if I'm free. Ouch. And yeah, I've been wanting these kind for so long. Oh. It took this. Ow. It's good. Ow. So we got my fidget spinner. I'm gonna try to sneak. I'm gonna try to get my brothers. My two brothers fidget spinner too.
Oh, yes.
Okay, I'm back over here. So we all got fidget spinners. This is mine, which is the same, like exact same color as my mom's phone case for her iPhone 5. This is my brother Alex right over here. He's in first grade, born on October 16, 2010 or 9. I don't know. Here's my brothers. There you go. And here is a blue one, which is this brother right over here, Chris. Born on December 30, 2009 or 10. I don't remember. I remember mine. And his is like a blue, beautiful blue color. It looks so beautiful. Okay, give me mine. There's his. There's yours. Okay, bye-bye. So my fridge spinner. Let's show you guys. Yay! And bye-bye. So, goodbye. And you guys have a amazing day. Thank you so much. Have a okay, so thank you so much, guys. Have a magnificent day.